What's up? Welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation, marketing strategies to help your business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're talking about how to drive traffic to your website using SEO or search engine optimization. SEO or search engine optimization is basically a set of practices designed to improve the appearance and positioning of web pages in organic search results. So basically what this means is SEO is a tactic that will help your website rank higher on the search result page when people search terms or keywords that are relevant to your product or solution. So me, for example, I'm a digital marketer. Some keywords I might want to rank for in search engine optimization or SEO, maybe email strategies, digital marketing sales, things that my customers or my audience would be interested in. So the basic idea of SEO is to optimize your website so that Google can easily understand what your product or service is and pair you with Google users who are searching terms that your product or service might be a solution for. By making your solution more easily found by your audience through Google, which by the way is the most powerful search engine in the world, you are much more likely to get more sales since you're gonna have so many more people who are able to see your website. There are a few core principles that apply to all industries and niches and are really all you need to know about SEO in order to improve your rank on the Google search result page and to get more traffic to your website. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today. Let's get started. The number one most important aspect of SEO, and really you should apply this strategy, I guess, to all your marketing efforts in general, is to pick target keywords or phrases that you want your website to be shown for. So keywords are basically words, more like phrases, that really describe your product or services offering. And you want to pick keywords that you think your customer base is probably searching in Google in order to find a solution like yours. So for me, as a digital marketer, my customer base is probably searching things like automated sales, email lead generation, how to host a webinar, things that are related to digital marketing. And me, as a digital marketing expert, I want to create content and blog posts around these topics that are A, related to my business, and B, that I think my audience is going to be searching. So by understanding your audience, you can choose keywords that are super relevant, target those keywords, and then your website will be shown to your audience more. So you're probably wondering, how do I see how much traffic a keyword is getting? And by traffic, I really mean how often is that keyword searched in Google? Well, there are a lot of different free keyword research tools. So I'll put some of those keyword research tools up on the side right here. But really, if you don't want to sign up for any of these tools, you can use just regular old Google search result page. So try searching terms that are relevant to your business, terms you think your audience will be using. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and all of those suggested terms by Google are by definition terms that are getting a lot of traffic from Google and are related to the term that you have just searched. So that is a really great way to find keywords or really phrases that Google is saying, hey, these get a lot of traffic, and then targeting those keywords will ensure that people will start seeing your website more as you do this over time. The next key concept of SEO that you want to focus on is optimizing your blog posts and the content of your website using these keywords. So really just making sure that those keywords that you're targeting are on your website and in your blog posts. So blog posts are are a really great way to build SEO over time because you're consistently putting out quality content on the internet that is using your keywords. So you're consistently showing Google that you have a relevant product or service to the keywords that you're trying to optimize for. How do you do this? It's actually pretty simple. You just want to make sure your keywords are in a couple key places on your website. These key places include your blog title, your headlines, so any H1, H2, H3 on your website and your blog posts, you really want to keep make sure you have keywords in those titles. Also on your blog posts, just keeping keywords in the first paragraph, so right away Google can tell that this is a very relevant blog post to the keywords that you're targeting. Other places are, maybe 2 or 3 times in your copy, in your meta descriptions. So meta descriptions are like the little paragraph that is under the title of the business when you search on Google. So making sure your keywords are there. Alternative text on images and in your URL slug. So the words that are in the URL of the blog post itself. The next principle of SEO that really is the core of all SEO tactics is to get more backlinks to your website. So SEO and backlinks really reward people who are putting content that shows their expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. One way that you can prove that you are a trustworthy source is to have other experts on the internet cite your website or your blog posts. The way you get backlinks is when somebody else refers to your website or blog posts. This could be through press releases, citations on other websites. If you do any guest posts, that's a really great way to get backlinks, or making some kind of detailed guide that people can cite in their own blog posts. Just any strategy to get other experts in your field to recommend your website or blog posts to their audience will show Google that you have a trustworthy website. That's pretty much how to do SEO if you're just starting out. If you do have questions, please leave those below. And that's it for today. Have a good one. Bye.